Okay, on number 2 it says x minus 9 is greater than 18. I'm going to draw my two lines right here on the side. That way it kind of have two sides. What's the opposite of minus 9, everybody?
Positive.
Plus 9, a positive 9. So I'm going to do positive 9 to both sides. And x is greater than, what's 18 plus 9? 27. He's one of you guys that did it. 27. So I'm going to graph it like this. Open circle pointing this direction. To the right. Yes, sir.
I didn't get the homework.
Thanks for telling me though. Number 3. It says y minus 7 is less than 23. What's the opposite of minus 7? Positive 7 or plus 7. So then I do plus 7 to both sides. So I have y is less than 23 plus 7 is 30. So then I graph that with a 30 in the middle. Is that an open or closed circle?
Open.
Open. It's going to point to the left. Okay? Point to the left. That's where the less than numbers are. Okay? All right. Number 4. It says b plus 4 is greater than or equal to 19. What's the opposite of plus 4? Negative 4. So both sides, negative 4. So I have b by itself. 19 minus 4 is 15. So I have 15. And then I have a closed circle. And which way does it point?
Right.
B is greater than. It's going to go right. All right, next one. This one's kind of weird because the x is on the other side. So I'm going to look at x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 10. So what is the opposite of minus 12? Plus 12. So plus 12 on both sides. All right, so 10 plus 12 is 22. And then x. Now this one's kind of weird. When you're graphing these, be sure you want to graph them with x goes in front. X goes first. So if 22 is less than x, then x must be greater than or equal to 22. So you want to flip it before you graph it. You want to have it like this, guys, when you graph it. It makes it a little bit easier to graph because then the arrow tells you which way to go. So you have 22, it's going to be a closed circle, and the x is greater than. So that means the answers are going to go to the right. Okay, x's are going to go to the right because x is greater than. All right, number 6. I have y plus 7 is greater than or equal to 27. What's the opposite of plus 7? Minus 7. So minus 7 to both sides. Y is greater than or equal to 20. So I'm going to put 20. I'm going to do closed circle, and y is greater than. So it's going to go to the right. Okay? All right, number 7. It says x minus 2 is greater than 8. Let's draw my lines down. This is going to be the opposite of minus 2, which is plus 2. So then I have x is greater than 8 plus 2 is 10. So I'm going to graph it like this. You see that? All right, last one, number 8. Or no, I'm sorry, not the last one. B plus 1 is less than or equal to 15. I'm going to do the opposite of plus 1, so that's going to be minus 1, minus 1. So I have B is less than or equal to 14. 15 minus 1 is 14. I put 14 in the middle. Got my little closed circle because the line is underneath it. It's going to go to the left. All right, and then now the last one, number 9. I have to do the opposite of plus 5, which is negative 5. I'll put negative 5 over here. So then I have y is greater than or equal